dispose of any prohibited food items in the yellow endless will direct you after clearance CBP. All passengers.
So we just landed and we are here with Clunk Clunk, and it is snowing in Salt Lake City. Seems like she got a nice fluffy rest. We're gonna see if she starts up.
It's alive.
Huh?
It's alive.
It's alive?
Yeah.
Well, our lights work.
Yeah, battery turn right back on, no problem.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yay!
Yeah, we built stuff that works.
Let's see if our engine, though, loves us. Moment of truth.
We're gonna have to wait a little bit for them glow rods to turn on. Okay, here we go. Come on, baby. Come on, baby.
Wow!
Let's go.
Woo!
It works. Okay. Let's get some heat in here. It's cold.
We are back in the van.
We're back in the van. We made
And
it. It works.
it's turning on, which
It
is
works.
awesome.
Yes.
It has been sitting in the snow in Salt Lake City for the last month since we've been in Mexico. Still a couple check engine lights, but we knew that that was going to be there when we came back.
Yeah.
And we are on our way to Wisconsin, baby.
Off we go.
Here we go. Oh no, not even a second after leaving.
That's my fault. That's my fault. I forgot to lock it. That's on me.
Okay,
That's on...
The car so far, Clunk Clunk is driving pretty solidly, so here's hoping. We're only about 10 minutes in, so we'll give you an update in about 30 minutes or an hour. We got the death sound again.
Yeah. I'm not surprised. Just disappointed.
We're gonna have to rethink our route right now since we only have 16 starts remaining.
Oh, we'll make it home just fine.
We might need to fill up some DEF. Who knows?
Yeah, I bet it'll reset itself. It's been doing that maybe lately. I hope.
The difference that we feel is remarkable. When the beep happened, it wasn't immediate panic or sadness. I think the trip to Mexico really helped.
Yeah.
It is 6 a.m. and Josh started the car this morning. It took about 2 minutes, 3 minutes to even start the car. She was chugging.
It's pretty bad.
It's 23 degrees out right now.
Yeah.
We just threw it into reverse and it immediately shut down.
So that's 15 starts left in case you're counting. Put it in reverse and just kick it, like go real fast. It should.
Well, yeah, but there's cars, behind you, so.
Not so many. Okay, here we go. Oh, come on, baby, stay going. Come on. Yeah, it worked. Okay.
Oh my
Oh, no.
Lord.
Come on.
Literally every single
Yes.
light is on.
Yes, I think we're moving. Yeah, we got.
What is that even about?
It's just too cold to run. I don't know.
What?
So our 16 starts remaining light has inexplicably turned off after our van had that very interesting start today, where it just died as soon as we threw it in reverse because it was too cold. We just took bets. How long until our 16 starts remaining light turns back on?
I called it at about 150.
Yeah, and I said closer to 250. I'm gonna say 243 miles until it turns back on.
Fine, I will say 157.
Okay, all right, those are the bets. We are down to just 14 starts. We've been going through every gas station and never turning off the car as we're filling it up with gas. When we stop for the bathroom, we don't turn it off. When we stop at restaurants, we don't turn it off. So we just let it run all day because we're trying to preserve our starts. It's amazing the things that you have to do to keep this van going.
This entire trip, I've been thinking about what all of you have been saying about traveling slow, trying to take it easy, and just really enjoy the time. It's become really apparent to us after we came back from our trip back to the van that We love this van so much that we're not ready to give it up, but it's really the mechanical problems, and you're all right that just traveling nonstop is really exhausting and really, really draining. It's becoming very evident that van life isn't the problem, it's the van. Our particular van problems right now. We are back in Wisconsin. I love this state. I think it's just the feeling of coming back a little defeated. Coming to park our van on the farm.
I think we'll both be glad to not be thinking about the van and have it in a safe place where we can just leave it for however long we need to. I feel different about how we left the van before we went to Mexico versus when we came back. I feel a little better about it. It's not quite as bad. When we left, everything was on fire. Everything was terrible. We didn't know what we were doing. The van was constantly breaking down, and we'd spent so much money. It was just hard to be in a good mindset at that point in time for us.
How are you feeling about taking the van to the farm?
I'm glad, because the other option would have been selling it. And after we talked about it, I don't think either of us are really ready to sell this thing. You know, we just put too much love, hard work, sweat, tears into it to really just get rid of it after only a month or so of using it. I'm happy that we don't have to drive it every day. I'm not going to say I'm going to miss that for the next couple months and always worrying about whether or not we're going to have 5 starts remaining or 10 or 16 or none, or if it's going to break down. I am glad that we still have it and that we're going to still have it for a while. That makes me happy.
Today we are making the trek up to the cabin where it all began. Have some feelings about it. I'm a little bit sad, a little bit nervous, kind of feeling a little bit defeated because we were just there a couple of months ago building out the van and we had so many dreams. I don't think it's giving up. I just think we're again holding on to it until the winter is over so we can make a new plan after that. So, yeah. A little bummed. To our next adventure. Stay tuned. Hi, kitty. What do you got to tell us? So many things to say.